Stay tuned for some great amplifier and speaker packages for your 2014 to 2023 touring motorcycles from Cicada. All right, so you may know or you may not know, Cicada makes a whole bunch of plug-and-play kits for your touring motorcycle. Whether you're looking for a 2-channel amplifier, 2 speakers, 4-channel amplifier, 2 speakers in case you want to add some more rears later on, or a full-blown system with a 4-channel amplifier and all 4 speakers. Today I'm going to unbox one of the 2-channel systems that comes with a pair of speakers and a 2-channel amplifier and show you all the benefits of going with one of the Cicada kits. All right, so this kit is going to be the 14 CX CXX 2x2 kit. It's going to come with the CX 500 watt amplifier and a pair of the 6.5 inch CXX speakers that really rail on very little power input. All right, so let's open this box up and I'm going to show you everything that comes with the kit. So it really doesn't matter whether you have a Street Glide or a Road Glide. This kit's going to come with both your Street Glide and Road Glide grills. It's going to come with either Street Glide and Road Glide amplifier mounting brackets. It's going to come with all of your inputs. So let's check it all out. So this is going to be our 8-gauge power harness that you're going to run from the amplifier down to the battery. This is going to be your Road Glide grills. This is going to be your Street Glide grills. This is going to be our Road Glide amplifier mounting bracket. And this is going to be your Street Glide amplifier mounting bracket. Now we've got our CX 500 watt amplifier. And to top it all off, a pair of the 6.5 inch CXX speakers. The great thing about this is it doesn't matter what bike you have. They make it really easy so that you can just order the one kit, and then you've got some extra grills laying around, an extra amplifier mounting bracket to where if you got a buddy that's putting a kit together, he can just have that stuff from you or throw it on eBay, whatever you want to do. Another really great thing is all these parts are also available individually, so you can also piece a kit together. And if you want some help around that, you can always reach out to me, Kevin, here at Lifestyle Cycles, and I can walk you through putting together a kit that's going to be in your budget. It's going to be completely plug and play and everything you need. Plus, it's even going to come with your input and output wires to go right into your factory Molex connectors that go to your speaker boxes inside the fairing. This is a complete do-it-yourself kit for the guy that has even limited knowledge on what to do. All right, and due to the way that the wires hook up on this system, it doesn't matter whether you're running an OEM radio from 2014 to 2023, if you're running a Soundstream, if you're running a Diamond, you're running a Rockford Fosgate, even if you've adapted in an aftermarket car stereo with an adapter kit and stuff like that on your bike, this kit is actually going to be for the person that is looking for an upgrade from their bike. I can't really say it's an entry-level kit because everything from Cicada is amazing, quality parts that you're going to hear at 90, 100 miles an hour, but it is one of the more cost-effective kits that you don't need to spend an arm and a leg to get great sound and audio on your bike when you're going down the road. All of your friends are still going to be jealous about what you've got in your bike from what you had before having a stock system, because like I said, you're going to hear this at 90 plus miles an hour and be crystal clear. This amplifier puts out a ton of power for only being 500 watts, and at the same time, these speakers are super efficient, so they don't need a ton of power. That's why we're able to get away with just this small 2-channel 500 watt amplifier. So if you like what you see, or if you're looking for something a little bit more robust with some more power and maybe even going to the 4-speaker kits, give me a call here at Lifestyle Cycles. Again, my name's Kevin. Everything you see here is available online at the Lifestyle Cycles online megastore, where you always get free shipping for orders over $50 and 5% megabucks towards your future purchases.
Whoa, wait! Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.